Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you need to clean behind your refrigerator, check a power connection or simply reposition it without causing scratches or damage, pulling it out the right way is definitely important. Sometimes refrigerators feel completely stuck in place, while other times people worry about damaging the floor, water line or wheels while trying to move it. Since many refrigerators include wheel locks or leveling feet that hold everything steady, unlocking things safely first can make the whole process much easier. The good part is that with a careful approach, moving your refrigerator does not have to feel stressful or difficult. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to safely unlock and pull out your refrigerator. Try these. Step 1. Empty space around the refrigerator so the refrigerator has room to move safely. Step 2. Check underneath the refrigerator for wheel locks or leveling feet holding it in place. Step 3. Unlock the bottom area of the refrigerator carefully if movement feels blocked. Step 4. Wash the cord behind the refrigerator while gently pulling it forward. Step 5. Move the refrigerator slowly to avoid floor scratches or sudden shifting. Step 6. Reposition the refrigerator safely and confirm everything feels stable again.